I have this Clutch Masters flow control valve. It's a FCV 2000. Since we'll be running the twin disc, they supplied these restrictor pills to basically adjust how fast or slow the clutch engages when you push it in. So I kind of lost my 30,000 pill when I first bought this and installed it, but I think I'll be running the 40,000s on there. I'm currently running the 50,000s, and that one just feels like there's no restriction at all, which was fine for the old twin or the single disc. So let's go ahead and install this one. So, as you can see, we removed the clutch pedal, and the reason for that is when running a twin disc, you need a pedal stop installed so you can adjust how far the slave cylinder pushes the fingers and the pressure plate. You don't want to overextend the fingers because you can cause permanent damages to the clutch. So we're gonna try to modify this pedal to install a adjustment on it. I couldn't find one specifically for the B5s. I just found a bunch for Hondas and stuff, so I just kind of bought something that I figured I could modify to make work. This is the clutch fork stopper for Mitsubishi, like Evos, like the older Evos. And my thought was it has the adjustment here for how far you want the pedal to stop, and I was thinking something like this, to like put it on the back of this old stopper right here and just like bolt it to the pedal. Now it won't fit as it is because this second bolt hole is a little too long, so I might have to like cut it a little bit and then just use one bolt straight through the pedal, and hopefully there's enough adjustment there with it installed this way. Let's get started on that and see if we can make this work. guys can see, we somewhat got it installed, modified it quite a bit. I'm gonna go ahead and put some Loctite on this nut, just because I don't want this whole assembly coming loose. Okay, it's properly installed. I think it turned out pretty good. Worst case, if this is too long, I can always trim this piece shorter because the whole thing is threaded all the way through, and I can just move the nut back more, or just get like a shorter bolt. So pretty happy with that. When I was reinstalling my clutch pedal, I accidentally pushed on the master, like the clutch master, and it popped the seal out for this slave. So we're gonna attempt to put it back together. Hopefully it works. Okay, the retaining ring is back in. Now we can go ahead and reassemble it. Also note, there is a hole on this boot for, like, if you do what I did and blew out the slave. This is bolted in like that, so you want to orient the hole to be at the bottom, kind of like that. The hole's right there, so if it leaks, it will drain from there. Let's reinstall it.